What's up, everybody? I am Jaspreet Singh and welcome to the Minority Mindset. There will be a time, or multiple times in your life, where you hit a fork. Should I start a business or should I get a job? Should I invest my money or should I save? Should I eat a salad or should I eat a cookie? Cookies. You can think about it. You can ask all of your friends for their opinions. You can even ask YouTube. Hello, YouTube. But at the end of the day, you will have to make a decision for your life and you will have to live with the consequences. Dang it, I knew I should have had the cookie. What happens with the majority of people is first, they spend way too much time trying to make a decision. And after they make a decision, they live in regret about their decision. I'm so sad I didn't get to eat my cookie. I'm so stupid. Here's the thing about life. Very few decisions are gonna have a clear right or wrong answer. They're not black or white. Most of the decisions you're gonna have to make are gray. So let me get this straight. You're saying I can go back and eat my cookies later? Sort of. Like when it comes to your money, let me let you in on a little secret. Here, come a little closer so I can tell you. You can get rich as a finance major. You can get rich as a PhD candidate. You can even get rich as a high school dropout. And for the record, you can also end up dead broke with any of these. For 80% of your life, it's not gonna be your decision, but what you do with your decision that's gonna determine your ultimate success. So when it comes to your success, I want you to remember 3 things. First, stop wasting your life trying to make perfect decisions. It's very easy to be wishy-washy. This is where you cycle back and forth with your different ideas. You get an accounting job, but you don't really like it. So then you go and start a dog food business because you know people love their pets and you're doing this and you're doing this. And then you start to miss the routine of a 9 to 5 and you miss the steady paycheck. So you go and get another job and then you hear about the crazy upside and crazy margins in the makeup industry, and now you don't know what to do. It's the fear of missing out, or FOMO, of doing one thing and not the other. My solution to this is very simple. Master one thing first. If you can conquer one thing, like you go out and you dominate and master the dog food business, then everything becomes a whole lot easier. You have money coming in and you know how to build a business, and now you can do more things because you have the money and the knowledge to do it. If you want to get into the makeup business now, well, you have the resources to make it happen. Or even better, you can find entrepreneurs trying to start a makeup business and you can invest in them. Now, you own part of the business and you can provide advice and consulting, but they're the ones doing the work. But the only way this is possible is if you stop trying to be perfect in so many different things and be the master of one. Second, it's never too late to make a change. We all know that one person, or maybe 2 people, who love to dream about what life would be like if they did life differently. Man, I hate my job. If I could go back in time, I would have studied computer science when I was in college. Then why don't you do it now? The only reason you're sitting here complaining about what you would have done is because you're not willing to make it happen today. It doesn't matter that you graduated or that you're 30 or 40 or 60 years old. If you want to make a change, you gotta do it. Like they say, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is today. Would it have been better for you to study computer science or something different when you were 18? Sure, but a little bit late or even a lot a bit late is a lot better than living in regret. And third, make the best of what you have. One of the biggest keys to success is making it work with whatever hand you're dealt. We were all raised differently with different gifts and different cultures and different backgrounds, and complaining about what you don't have won't change your life. Actually, I take that back. Yes, it will. Complaining about what you don't have will bring you further down because it's a waste of your time, your life, your energy, and it brings you a whole bunch of negativity that you don't need. Man, life is so unfair. Why couldn't my parents give me $1 million to start my business? I know it's easier said than done, but complaining about what you don't have won't do any good. So instead of doing that, appreciate what you do have and make the best of that. Look, you can't change your past. What's done is done. But your future is 100% in your hands and only your actions can shape that. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed our video, hit that thumbs up button and share it with one friend so we can help spread the word. Don't miss our new videos on entrepreneurship, business, and money every Wednesday and Friday at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you actually find out when the new videos are released. And as always, keep hustling.